how to find pages you follow, notifications, settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find pages you follow, notifications, settings on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines in the top corner, and after you click on it, go down until you find settings and then notifications, and you just go down until you find this one, pages you follow. And as you see here, you can manage pages you follow settings on Facebook Lite. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.